introduce ourselves. Myself, I am Kathy, pursuing degree first year from Giriraj Degree College, and I am here to host the event today. And I am also the part of Lead Prerana 2019.
Yeah, I'm Nitya, pursuing second year from Nishna Degree College, and I'm here co-Prayani. We are requesting our guests who had attended the event to light the lamp.
या ब्रह्माश्रित शंकर प्रभुति देवै सदा पूजिता श्यामाकांत सरस्वती भगवती विशेषजार्यापहा
Tours and travels.
Now I invite the SBI Director General of Nizamabad.
Entrepreneurial mindset and many communication skills, etc.
Lead Prerana is just a part of our LEAD program, but apart of this, we have many programs in LEAD, like basic leadership. We want to play a video about our LEAD. I request sir to play that video.
Mr. Patnaik sir and Sunil Reddy sir, and as our leader said, we started this LEAD program in Kakatiya Sandbox, and this program was inspired by Hubli Sandbox sir. It started in 2008. This LEAD program here started in 2013, then under this ecosystem, and working with more than 13 colleges in Nizamabad, Kamareddy and Armoor, other places of our rural Telangana. And the main purpose of this LEAD program and LEAD Prerana journey to reach out and create some impact in rural places. And then after we have different kinds of projects we do, like leaders will do, like social projects and technical projects, and those projects will create some awareness among the youth as well as in villages. Now we have around more than 20,000 leaders in our Nizamabad sir, and basically they are like after their place two, like degree first years and degree and BTech diploma students are eligible for this LEAD program, and they are like main motto is to create some change in the society, what they are observing in their daily lives, and this leadership qualities, and this is not a one word, and it is a journey we have to learn, and we have to create an impact on the society. And coming to some projects which students did, and they created impact, like one of our Kshatriya college student, he did water flow alarm, and that is becoming one of the one changing like project changing of the year. And then after coming to the non-technical projects, like even we did some social projects on the topics like college to village, and they will identify some places where they don't have a minimum basic facilities of education, and they students after like they will go to the colleges, and part of their part of their daily life, and they will go to the areas where they will find these slum people, and they will teach to the basic like grammar, English and those things. And there is another program called Nitya Shuddha Abhiyan, and they created a plastic-free Nizamabad, and they made one even they work with the local municipal commissioners. And the other program is called School Adoption, and our two of the students, Nitya and Kruti and Shruti, they adopt one school, sir, and now they are working, and they are they changed a lot, and even the principals and HODs also appreciated our LEAD program in their schools. And going further, I would like to congratulate each and everyone who is coming here for this LEAD Prerana 2019 journey. And it is like one of the journey which created entrepreneurial thinking in your minds, and you will meet so many people in your journey. And it is like an opportunity to grab the things and grab the knowledge wherever you go and whoever you met. And it's going to visit like different places with the different sectors of people will meet. entrepreneurs as well as the different organizations. And last but not the least, I would say thanks to Sunil Reddy sir. Out of his busy schedule, he is here now. Give a big round of applause to him. State Bank of India, and our main head office is in our third floor itself. His sir is also very thanks sir. Thanks for coming. And now I would like to going further.
Thank you, sir.
Lead is for an entertainment purpose, but later on, after observing and wording of the lead, I got realized that lead is not for an entertainment purpose, but also for in 2017. I have started my journey, as I said, I started my journey in 2017 and I have done few projects. Among them, there is one project I would like to share with you. That is, we celebrated National Women's Day on March 8, 2018. Unfortunately, that is to appreciate the unrecognized hardworking women. Unfortunately, it reached 800 plus women, and it is one of the best project in Nalgonda. And it was very satisfying. And after that, I joined in Leap Trayana. Leap Trayana, it is a 14 days journey which helps you to explore your ideas. And it is a stage where it is a good platform to explore your ideas and innovations. And I personally feel Leap Trayana is the platform, and it helped me in many ways. Like, I am the person where I used to not talk with anyone, and now it is like I can communicate with everyone, like as friendly. If they are not, if I'm not known about that person, also I can communicate with them as quickly as possible. It helped me in many ways, and also here we are having the multinational visits, multinational companies visits, where like Google, Amazon, and in Google, I'm saying a small part where from my journey, I'm taking from my journey. Google is where we visited to Google. There we had HR sessions, and we had a resume workshop. And again, and I need to say one point in Google, that is Google food is awesome, guys. But unfortunately, you are unlucky this time. I think it is taken to a post lunch. And going to Amazon. Amazon is where its infrastructure is very good. Like how they have built a team building, how they work with the team, and it is really an awesome place. Not only the multinational companies, we visit to the villages as well. That is like Siddipeta, Sirisilla, and Warangal, Nizamabad, Nalgonda, etc. And it is great pleasure, sir, again meeting you. And This is all my experience in Lead Triana, and thank you for Lead team and Lead Nalgonda Sandbox and as well as Kakatiya Sandbox.
I thank Kakatiya Sandbox for giving an opportunity to all you Prayanas to learn something else. You will not be able to understand the importance of the program today, but going forward, in your experiences, you will come to know how important is this program. So, I advise all you people not to neglect anywhere. Have a detailed study on your entire tour. Not this time, any time. You should not miss any opportunity to learn anything else. Right from agriculture to space learnings, you should never miss. You should know what is agriculture. You should know the life of poor people. You should know the life in the forest. You should know the life in the space. Everywhere you should learn something. You should not never miss an opportunity. Ultimately, these kind of learning only make you entrepreneurs. Everyone want to become an entrepreneur, but they don't want to work hard. They don't want to learn anything else. They want to become rich, which is not possible. For become entrepreneurs, you don't require a big testimonials, but you require detailed study in life, and lot many things is required. First, you should make yourself. You want to be an employee or you want to be an employer. For employee, risk is not there. For employer, lot of risk is there due to struggle like anything else to become success. And an employer will become success only if you work hard. The ratio is very less. You have to take much of struggles. You don't require big testimonials to be an entrepreneur, because it does not mean that you need not study. You have to study. You have to have testimonials. Because I did not have big testimonials, I have become an entrepreneur only with my hard workings. Till today I work every day 18 hours. If you give me a ring in the midnight 2 o'clock, I take a call. So that is the confidence level I have given to my entire team. I am in such kind of business, it works 24 hours. I should be alert 24 hours. My business requires my presence. It does not mean I need to work, but at least in a 6 months I get a call in the midnight, not daily. Earlier I used to get daily calls, so slowly I have been diverted all calls. I have given all delegations to different teams. In this way, you should be prepared. For becoming an entrepreneur, you should work hard, you should have testimonials. If you do not have testimonials also, you should work hard, learning should be there. Every minute you should not miss. Every minute, the way you work, the way you learn, it counts to you in your life. And to become a successful entrepreneur, as I said, you work hard, you should keep your mouth. You should keep your words very strong. You should be committed to your commitments. You should give a confidence to your employees, your stakeholders, your partners. Don't mind if you are losing money, but you should not lose your commitment. If money is lost, you will get money. But your commitment is lost, everything is lost. Your commitment is lost, your character is lost. If character is lost, everything is lost in life. Once again, I wish you best of luck, all Lead Prayanas. Once again, I thank entire Kakatiya team for their relentless working towards this society. These are also main important. Not see, Raju Reddy has got much money, but you want to contribute to the society. You want to give back to the society. In the way you should also, we should contribute to the society. Generally, there is a value for our life. Thank you.
Future leaders, young leaders, and Sunil ji, good morning. And I am very much thankful, grateful to this Kakatiya Sandbox for inviting me here. And today I feel that I have some leadership qualities in me. Today I find that after sitting with me, just to discuss with Sunil for a few minutes, and after seeing you cheerful leaders, what I wanted to speak, he spoke everything. It is his personal experience. He is running a private organization. I am running a government organization, public sector organization. The aim of the both are the same, and your aim is the same, to do something great in the life, so that the people will remember you. That is the main aim. We will make money, we will die, we will live, we will die, nobody will remember us. People is working 18 hours. The same thing we are doing. When the situation warrants, we work 24 hours or 46 hours or 48 hours continuously. And you are young people, you must be thinking that success is very near, very easy. It is not like that. It is easy provided you make it easy. That depends upon only you people, not anybody else. Not your parents, not your brother, not your sister, not your teacher. Right? Everybody. Today morning I was watching one video. Father is complaining to tuition master. अरे तुम्हारे बेटी को पढ़ा नहीं रहा है, 6 महीने से आ रहा है, तुम्हारा बेटी कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, जैसे गलती थी, जैसे भी she was doing something wrong. Now she is also in the same level. Then the tuition teacher is explaining. Just I am inputting something that the real work will have to be done by the student only. Here I remember 3 things. Is told by one of the biggest entrepreneur in the country. Who is the biggest entrepreneur in the country? Huh? Next to that, now there is a body, very fast growing. In kapda, dhoti, 2 pieces kapda. Huh? Ramdev Baba. Is he an entrepreneur? An entrepreneur? Yes. How big? Perhaps the way he is growing, after a few years, he will surpass this Ambani also. I am not joking, he is not a disciple. But he is successful for 3 things. One is body swatch. You understand what is body swatch? Everybody? Yes. Big thinking, kadi mehnat, hard work, and pakka irada. The greatest commitment, the strong commitment. These 3 things you need to be successful in your life for anything and everything. Besides this, another 2 things are there to be successful. One thing you have all. You all are engineering students or graduating? Yes. In graduation? Yes. That means your ability to study is there. Ability to understand is there. Everybody can understand English, Telugu, what to be done, what not to be done, which is bad, which is not bad, which is to be done today, which is not to be done. We know that my exam is there after 7 days. I will have to study, but 6 days I don't read. I only wait the last date. When the last date will come in the midnight while I will work and go. Then at that time I should have read 2 days back. I should have not missed this question. Right? Because that one important thing is that is a willingness to do something. That willingness when it comes, then you will be successful entrepreneurs. And they call it entrepreneurs. I don't call you entrepreneurs, I call you leaders. A leader is a person who is successful in all areas of his life. Not only entrepreneur. It is not like that everybody will be entrepreneur tomorrow. You may join in some organization as a worker also. You will have to be. I am not telling that you work in a office or give that 100%. Whatever you want, even you are cooking, you do your 100% there. And I am happy that you people have applied for this thing. And I am more happy that you all have been selected. Like I understand that around 1,000 people have applied. And you are only 30-40 people have been selected. Are not you lucky enough? And in this journey 15 days, Mr. Sunil advised you what to do, learn everything. I will tell that you learn everything with fun. Not only that you are going for only learning, so that you will not enjoy. Have fun, enjoy that, and among the group, try to be helpful, very cooperative to each other. If there is no food, if you are thinking you are 30-40 people, due to some reason there is shortage of food, to try to sacrifice your own, or share amongst yourself for this success, so that you will be successful in your journey, this 15-day journey, and you will learn a lot of things. And while coming back home, you try to implement in your everyday life, try to help each other, help others to create good people build the society. Make a good society. You know how good or bad is our society must be seen. I visited almost all states in India because of my current organization, State Bank of India. I have studied in the south, north, east, west, everywhere I have studied. Everywhere India is not a good society, if you take. Unlike in the foreign countries, or some countries are there where there is no stealing, nothing, no fear. Everything is in systematic. It is not like on our country. That's why we will have to create a good society. I wish that all should be a good, create a good society amongst us. And once again, thank you, these people, Faculty Sandbox. And they have put some leaders. I know Sudha Murthy, APJ Abdul Kalam, last one, this one. But this side I am not able to. Raju Reddy, your group, all these your people, and they have kept some blank.
Sir, future these leaders will be
That's why I thought that they have kept after 20 or 50 years, I will visit this place because I will start my study in this building only. I will see that your names are there. If required, we will create another column in the upper layer. You will be bigger leaders than these leaders. All the best to all of you. Customer service. And while I was a branch manager, I was in the front seat. I gave the customer service to each and everybody. That to mostly to poor people. What it told. You are going to jungles. You are going to farmers. You are going to villages. There are so many people. Those are illiterate. If you serve them better, they will remember your whole life. They will not remember your name. They will not remember your face. They will remember at that time, 30 years back, somebody was there. He has given me this service. That is my greatest. And whenever you are coming to the service sector or wherever public sector or private sector, give your best. That is my wish.
Use the YONO app. So if we want to open a new account, the staff is saying that you need to go with the app. But how it is for illiterate people and how can they?
That I have already replied to the same question. That is good. That is good for you. Open account because you are literate. But we have offline account opening system. There is no issue.
But saying that if we need to go through.
They are your friend, madam, 4 years senior to you. Those are 4 years senior to you. Before that, when your mind is that I will be joining State Bank of India or Bank of Baroda in that sense or Canara Bank in that sense, I will give best customer service. Because what you are not getting. Once they are joining, they are telling, don't come to us. Go to that desk, this desk. I openly tell you. Though I am the best, biggest bank in the country. I have presence in all our financial activities in the country. State Bank is like the Government of India thinks. Right? But as you rightly said, that we have so many products, we have so many accounts. That is, we are backers to every Indian. Out of 130 crore people, I have 43 crore accounts in me. Customers, 1/3 of the entire country. Still, I need more and more. I cannot stop. Right? I have that facility. You go to any branch, if it is not there, you give me a call.
Because we are unable to manage our college life and our projects, how you can manage that?
It's all your intelligence. At the very nascent stages, business stages, we should learn everything. When I was very small businessman or a slum field operator, I used to go for driver also. I was ready to go for driver. So when we learn everything, we will be able to diversify the work to a different level of people. You need to, though I'm sitting here, I'm doing business in Rajasthan. Now everything is connected to the mobile. Now what I know what it happens there. We take reports every day and I do monitor. Though my physical presence is not there, I monitor here what is happening in Rajasthan. So in that way we should be able to manage it. Okay, while transforming, in the transition period, you will face some difficulties, some hiccups. We need to, while transforming ourselves, we should put our consequences there. So that the gap did not arise. Make people to learn, make them to work, and you get yourself ready from that work. This is the funda you have to do, you have to manage. You got? Without failure, you will not be able to success. If you are success at the very beginning, you will fail, I am sure. See, seasonal business, like selling vegetables, selling ice creams, will you make money immediately, but your presence will be the issued work. It will not be a failure, it will not be a big success also. When you have to build up an organization, definitely there will be failures. We need, depending upon the failure, we need to analyze how to overcome the business. So, lot many failures for me. Lot many failures. I have purchased 100 cars and given to a driver. I told them, you run it for 3 years. We pay the bank loans, and I told them I transfer the car to you, but they did not do. They taken my car. They have been making money, but they are not paying to me. Ultimately, bank will question me not in. I paid to the bank. When I tried to take the car from him, I don't know he belongs to a scheduled caste. He has put an atrocity case on me. I have not seen his face also. But ultimately, lie is there. I have been to High Court. High Court has passed it. But I need to spend. There is a failure. Somewhere the business model went wrong. I lost huge money there. I have taken cars, I sold it off, I paid the bank loans. These kind of failures I have been gone through, but somewhere from other business, I have paid that loans. కీడు మనం అడ్డం చేయగలిగితే స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. ఆ తప్పుని అది చేయలేకపోతే మనం పక్కన పెట్టాలి. పోయిన తర్వాత ఫెయిల్ అయిపోతే మొత్తానికి వెళ్ళిపోతాం ఇంటికి. దాని సైజ్ తగ్గించండి. అర్థమవుతుందా బాబు? సైజ్ యూ decrease the size of the risk, quantum of the risk you are taking. Okay, don't try to be very big. Don't dream much behind your imagination. Always in limits. Somewhere I even crossed my limits. Still today there are business I am running with a crores of rupees losses. But I am sure one day I will become success. I have analyzed why I am going loss. Next 1 year I will bring the whole business into a profit. Unlike risk, if you are able to cope up, if you are able to address that risk, you go forward. Otherwise, you decrease that and do it. If you are thinking you are undergo loss, you are undergo failure, undergo problems, you start very minutely.
It's very glad me to here to give the, to present.